In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Bitwarden on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a folder to keep your logins and other items neatly organized, so you can find what you need faster and keep your vault tidy. Start by opening the Bitwarden app on your iPhone. When the app launches, you should land on your vault, which is the main list of your saved items. If you usually unlock Bitwarden with your device's biometrics, just wait a moment for it to authenticate and bring you into the vault view. Make sure you're on the screen that shows your items. That's where you'll access the controls to add a new folder. Next, look along the bottom of the screen for the plus button. It's the circular icon with a plus sign inside, typically centered or toward the bottom right. This is your gateway for creating new entries and organizing tools within Bitwarden. Go ahead and tap that plus button to open the creation menu. From the menu that appears, choose Folder. This option is specifically for creating a new folder, which acts like a container you can use to group related items. Folders don't change your items themselves, they simply help you organize them, similar to how you'd sort documents into labeled folders in a filing cabinet. Selecting Folder will open a simple screen where you can name the folder you want to add. In the Name field, enter the folder name you want. Pick something clear and meaningful so you'll recognize it later. For example, you might group items by purpose, like finances, work, travel, or utilities, or by a project or client. Keep names concise and consistent to make searching easier. Avoid including any sensitive information in the folder name. You don't need account numbers or personal details here, just a helpful label that makes sense to you. Once you're happy with the name, tap the check icon at the top right to save. That confirms your new folder and adds it to your list. You'll now be able to assign items to this folder whenever you create or edit them. If you don't see it right away, give the screen a moment to refresh, and then look for the folder among your organizational options. If you ever decide to rename or remove it later, you can manage that from within the app's folder options. That's it. Open Bitwarden, tap the plus button, choose folder, enter the name, and tap the check to save. Simple, fast, and a great way to keep your vault organized.